Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my electric guitar riffs tutorial for Tennessee Whiskey. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And if you need to learn the chords and strumming for this song, use the link in the description below this video to go to my acoustic guitar strumming tutorial for Tennessee Whiskey. We'll start by playing a riff that sounds like this. We played that riff by going to the low E string, playing it, the second fret on the low E string, the open A string, and then we're going to start at the second fret of the A string and slide up to the fourth fret. So that was we'll go back to the second fret and we'll play this. That was the second fret to the fourth fret, back to the second fret, open, second fret sliding up to the fourth fret, and back. So that's next we'll play this. So we started at fret 2, slid up to fret 4 3 times, and then back to fret 2, and we'll end with this. That was sliding from fret 2 to 4, back to 2, open, open. So here's the entire thing. For our next riff, we'll play this. Now for that part, we'll be playing double stops. Double stops are 2-note chords. We'll start with a riff on the 14th fret D string, the 16th fret, then we'll go to the G string, 14th fret, and then we'll take the 16th fret on the G string and bend it up and stop it. Now I'm going up an entire whole bend or whole step, and then I'm going to mute it with my palm like that. So that's next I'll bar fret 12 and I'm going to play the D string and B string with my pick and my middle finger like this. Like that. So I'm going to slide up from 12 to 14, like that. I'm going to hold on to both strings, pinch them, and slide back down from 14 to 12, like that. So it's, I'm going to do that twice. I'm going to switch my fingering from the middle finger, going to fret 12, barring it, and then I'm going to pluck the D and B string twice. And then I'll take my middle finger, place it on the 11th fret on the D string, and my index finger on the B string, fret 10, and pluck those two strings again. So that's, and that's my entire riff. Goes like this. Well, all right. Those are the riffs from Tennessee Whiskey on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.